Whoa! Hello, children. I'm the Green Goblin, and I'd like to welcome you to the weird and wonderful world of Beyond Comprehension. During the course of this compact disc, you'll be dragged sicking and creaming through 6 delightful songs of musical mucus and mayhem. I shall guide you along this treacherous path to offer much mirth and merriment. But first, allow me to introduce my fantastic chum, Mad Axeman, Ivor Jones. Lovely. Well, little kids, if you weren't put off by that one, then you will by the next. This song's all about me and my, shall we say, vivid imagination. Well, if you're busy chomping on some goop while listening to that, then you'll be forgiven for having slightly erratic bowel movements. Or should that be erotic bowel movements? Lovely, lovely. Morton Hackett once told me to take on me, so I have. See if you can spot the differences in our wonderful rendition. be pleased with that one.
Master, oh, hello, Master.
Oh, no! What do you want, you lecherous baboon?
Oh, I want to help with the CD, Master. Perhaps I could twiddle some knobs.
Well, you're not twiddling my knob, Father.
Oh.
You could actually stick your hand in that cauldron of boiling water over there.
Oh, okay. Oh, Master, why did you make me do that?
Because it was hilarious, you imbecile! How dare you not find it funny? Okay, this song is also about burning things. It's called Burn the Sun.
Fucking go! Take a look in my direction. Don't you like what you see? Strewn in confusion. I guess you never cared for me. Think before you act. It'll only turn on you. Try to think of me when you look for something new. Yeah. You've forgotten I existed. I've been trampled on again. Don't bother saying sorry. Just go off and fuck your man. Think before you act. It'll only turn on you. Try to think of me when you look for something new. Into my mind, stop into my heart. Burn the sun, feel the fire, taste the flame. Burn the sun, feel the fever of a love that burns. Burn the sun, you can try, but you'll never. Burn the sun. Seems the good guys always lose. The bastards, they've all won. So serious things, but you'll never burn this fucking sun. Think before you act. It'll only turn on you. Try to think of me when you look for something new. Into my mind, stop into my heart. Burn the sun, feel the fire, taste the flame. Burn the sun, feel the fever of a love that burns. Burn the sun, you can try, but you'll never. Burn the sun, eat into my mind, stop into my heart. Burn the sun, feel the fire, taste the flame. Burn the sun, feel the fever of a love that burns. Burn the sun, you can try, but you'll never. Burn the sun.
Now, you may recognize this song. It was written by me 69 years ago. Some 20 years ago, it was stolen from my crypt by a Swedish quartet of grave plunderers who gave up their professions on the basis of my song and became ABBA. All their other songs are musical disasters except this one. It's my song, and it's called SOS. nice, it used to be so good.
So when you're near me now, you got you hear me afterwards. The last you gave me now, you have to save me afterwards. When you're gone, how could I even try to go on? When you're gone, now I try, how could I carry on?
You seem so far away, though you are lying here. You make me feel alive, but you just died, oh dear. I really tried to make it out. I wish I understood what happened to our last. It used to be so good.
So when you're near me now, you got you hear me afterwards. The last you gave me now, you have to save me afterwards. When you're gone, how could I even try to go on? When you're gone, now I try, how could I carry on? So when you're near me now, you got you hear me afterwards. The last you gave me now, you have to save me afterwards. When you're gone, how could I even try to go on? When you're gone, now I try, how can I carry on?
When you're gone,
How can I even try to go on? When you're gone, now I try, how can I carry on?
Hello, master. I brought you a young virgin.
oh, what a surprise! Oh, she's lovely, lovely, lovely. Mm-mm. Hang on, why is she moving?
She's dead, master.
Oh, no, not again. That's the third this week, you idiot. How did this rose petal meet her end?
Well, when I surprised her, she said, "Bugger me." So
Yeah, okay, I get the picture, little slave. Oh, well, I'm sure I can think of something to do with her. Hey, that reminds me of a little joke I know. Here goes. I used to be a necrophiliac, but... Oh, I've forgotten it. You, it's your fault, you idiot. Woohoo! Never mind. It'll come to me later, I'm sure. I recognize that corpse. It's Helga the fishmonger. She was an evil little bitch.
You're an evil little bitch. We know that you're a killer. Gonna leave you in a ditch. Watch us how I kill her. Hey, bitch. Burn. What? You're a motherfucking witch. I'll set you on the fire. You got this gun and watch. You're gonna burn in fire. Die. Bitch. say the block is really white. The moon is just the sun at night. The world is full of kings and queens who blind your eyes and steal your dreams. You know you've kicked me in the face. You've lost my love without a trace. There's something you should really know. The time has come for you to go. They say the block is really white. The moon is just the sun at night. The world is full of kings and queens who blind your eyes and steal your dreams. You know you kicked me in the face. You've lost my love without a trace. There's something you should really know. The time has come for you to go. They say the block a carousel, spinning fast without the urgency. And when you work it, golden health, you must renew the twisted earth. I gave you hell, you did your worst. I loved yourself till I knew what worth. Help me now, play, still. It makes you so much easier to do.
Stop, lost her in the backwards, fuck, you are insane. Stop, lost her in the backwards, fuck, totally insane. Hey!
You're confident to a properly letter, stepping the touch of course of a father.
Stop, lost her in the backwards, fuck, you are insane. Stop, lost her in the backwards, fuck, totally insane.
Well, don't you think that was good, children? It was, wasn't it? Well, I hope you enjoyed it as much as we... Oh, hello. I remember the joke now. Here goes. I used to be a necrophiliac, but the rotten cunts get splitting on me.
Oh, that's a good one.
Shut up! You're supposed to laugh, you fool! Oh, goodbye, everyone!
Bye, bye, kids.